This is my Specialized P2 mountain bike, 2008. Just got it used off Craigslist. Got it today. I need to do a little bike check on it. The frame is the Specialized P2 2008. Pedals are Specialized. The cranks, I think, are True Vative, whatever that is. I don't know. The grips are Specialized, real soft and firm. The brake lever is Avid. The stem is Hasfelt. It has the Marzocchi suspension dirt jumper 3 with like I think 4 inches of travel. Has a Fuse seat. The tires are Specialized. The hubs are Specialized. Really like hubs. And the disc brakes are also Avid. 160 millimeter. On the other side of the bike, we have the SRAM derailleur. What is that? I don't know how to say that. So it's like, I don't know. And the 1-speed in the front, the chain guide, dash guard, spy sticker, and yeah, the back rubber tires, the rims are Specialized. The back hub is also Specialized, and the disc brake is Avid. Yep, so there you go. Specialized P2. My little ghetto stand thing. Yeah. I know. Yep. Specialized P2. No matter what you see when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put